Whether you're just starting out or gearing up for the next season, this is a good time to regroup and take inventory of the tools you'll need as you get your trucks ready. In this video, we're going over the tools that help you move faster, stay more organized, and look professional on every job. Let's dive in. First up, a cordless drill and impact combo set. This is used primarily for installing anchors for wreaths and hanging decor. It's also great for quickly removing hardware or making adjustments on site. Look for a combo kit that includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a tough carrying case. We recommend DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Makita, but any quality brand will do the job. Next, wire cutters. These are essential for cutting SPT1 or SPT2 wire cleanly when building custom light strands. Get a pair with sharp blades and strong grip handles. You'll be using them constantly throughout the season. You'll also want a wire spool carrier. This keeps your wire organized and easy to pull while you work. It's great for socket wire spools and also works perfectly for large spools of SPT1 and SPT2 wire. It saves a ton of time, keeps your setup clean, and prevents tangles during installs. A good rechargeable headlamp is a must. You'll use this during early morning installs, night shifts, or when it starts getting dark late in the day. It also helps when digging through bins or finding supplies in the truck. Hands-free lighting keeps you efficient and focused, even after the sun goes down. For wrapping large trees, check out the ELF Easy Feeder. This tool is designed specifically for running mini lights around massive canopy-style branches. It keeps your wire elevated and untangled, saving time and making the finished job look cleaner. Next up, a heavy-duty stapler. You'll use this for attaching lights to wooden trim, fences, or decks where clips don't work well. Make sure you staple next to the wire, not through it. We recommend the Aero T50 or similar contractor-grade staplers. A high-temperature hot glue gun is one of the most versatile tools on the truck. It's perfect for sticking lights to brick or stone. But that's not all. It's also great for running wire through sidewalk cracks, around windows, hiding SPT wire, and so much more. Just make sure you use glue sticks rated for outdoor use. A socket wrench is a small but essential tool for fixing wiring on the fly. You can find these at most major Christmas light suppliers. It's used when a socket comes off the wire or when you need to replace a bad socket. This avoids cutting the wire and adding new plugs, saving time and materials. It also lets you build custom socket wire cords with perfect spacing for outlining windows, doors, or special design areas. A small side tool pouch is a game changer for staying efficient. Use it to carry plugs, clips, cutters, or zip ties, so you're not constantly climbing up and down the ladder or running back to the truck. Look for one that clips onto your belt or safety harness. And finally, carbon fiber poles. These are super helpful for tall tree installs, takedowns, or reaching hard-to-access areas from the ground. They're lightweight, strong, and extendable, and they let you work faster without dragging out extra ladders. And that's your list of tools for faster Christmas light installations in 2025. All of these help your crew move quicker, stay organized, and show up like professionals. You'll find links to each tool in the comments or video description. And if you're ready to take your crew to the next level, click the link below for a free trial of our online employee training program. We'll help your team hit the ground running before the season even starts. And let us know in the comments, what tools did we miss? What's something you always keep in the truck that we should add to our list?